Hey kiddos, welcome back to math. Now, last time I saw you, I told you that we are so excited for you to be first graders. So in math, we're going to be doing quite a bit of review to get you ready for first grade. Well, today we are going to continue with that. So here's what I need you to do. I need you to go grab page 82 that looks exactly like mine. If you need to go grab that and a pencil, please do so. And you can hit pause and then hit play when you're ready. If you have this page already, let's look at the top. At the top, it says there are 8 counters in all, right here. And we see the number 8 in this box. Now, let's find the part that we know. So you know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know that there are 6 dots because they show 6 dots. We're missing a few. They covered them up. We need to find out the missing parts. So the part we know is we know that we need 8 in all, and we have 6 down below. 6 plus what number equals 8? Well, let's start with 6. Let's see how many times we have to count to get to 8. 6, 7, 8. 2. We are missing 2. So the parts that we are missing is 2. Is that correct? Yep. They showed us the 2 dots that are covered. So at the top, they have the box, which explains how many we have in all. We have 8 dots in all. We know that there were 6 dots. We know that we were missing 2. All right, we're going to practice this together. So let's look at number 1. Number 1, once again, we have missing, we know that in all we have 8. We have 8, and it says in our instructions, find the missing parts of 8 and 9. So we know we have 8 that we need to get in all. How many dots did they show us? 1, 2, 3. They showed us 3. So let's trace that 3. Excellent. Now, how many dots do we need to find to get 8? Well, you can maybe do a subtraction problem. Let's write it like a subtraction problem. 8 minus 3 gives us how many? Or we can count on. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It took us 5 steps to get to 8. So our missing number is 5. Excellent. Or you can do 8, take away 3, and you can draw a picture with that. All right. When you're ready, move on to number 2. If you need time still to think through this problem, you can rewind the instructions, or you can hit pause until you're ready to move on. All right, put your pointer on number 2. Number 2, how many do we have in all? What is the number in our box? That's right, number 9. All right, let's see how many dots they showed us. How many dots did they give us? 1, 2, 3, 4. They gave us 4 dots. So under the box that says part I know, we're going to put the number 4 because we know that there are 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, there are 2 different ways to find out how many are missing. One way is to write a subtraction problem. 9 take away 4 equals what? And you can draw a picture with 9 and then you're taking away 4. How many do you have left? Or you can start at 4 and count how many times it takes you to get to 9. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many times did it take us to get to 9? How many more dots do we need? We need 5. And I'm going to show you with a picture. So let me draw 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we have 9 in all. We are taking away 4, so cross out 4. 1, 2, excuse me, 2, 3, 4. How many circles do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's another way to find it. Excellent job, kiddos. If you need more time, please feel free to hit the pause button. If you are all set, then you may move on to number 3. We're going to do that together. If you need a bit more time or you need the directions repeated, you can hit pause and then rewind the video. Look at number 3. How many do we have in all? How many counters do we have in all? We have 9 counters. All right, how many counters do they show us? Let's count. 1, 2. So the part I know, how many do we know? We know we have 2. Okay, excellent. Now, what is our missing part? We can write this 2 different ways. You can start at 2 and count all the way to 9, or you can draw a picture like a subtraction problem. So you know we have 9 circles in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, run out of room, 9. There we go. Let's cross out 2. 1, ooh, don't move, 2. 1, how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our missing part is 7. Now, how can we check to make sure this is right? That's right. We can add 2 and 7. So if we start at 7, 8, 9. Does 2 plus 7 equal 9? Excellent. So 2 and 7 are parts of 9. All right, if you are still working on number 3, feel free to hit the pause button. If you need the directions repeated, you can rewind the video. If you're ready to move on, let's look at number 4. How many counters do we have in all? What is the number in our box? Excellent. It's 8. Now let's count how many counters they give us. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many do we know? 4. Excellent. Wait, there's something different about this one. Can anyone think of it? Did I hear someone say it? I did. This could be a double. Now we talked about doubles a while ago, so let's refresh your brains. Doubles is when you add 2 of the same number to equal a new number, so it's even. So if we were to do 4 and add 4 more, let's do so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does that equal it? Does that equal 8? Excellent. 4 and 4 equal 8. So we can know quickly that our missing part is 4. Another double is 3 plus 3. That equals 6. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Those are our doubles. Excellent. So that one, we didn't even have to draw a picture for. If you remembered, hey, 4 and then you add 4 more, it equals 8. It's a double. Solves your problem really quickly. Great thinking, kiddos. You are so ready for first grade. All right, if you have done page 82 with me, let's move on. If you have not and you're still working, that's okay. Hit the pause button. All righty. Now, I need you to grab page 83, and it should say independent practice at the top and look exactly like my page. If you need to go grab it, feel free to hit the pause button. If you have it and you're ready to go, let's read it together. It says, find the missing parts of 8 and 9, then write the numbers. You're going to do the exact same thing for number 5, 6, and 7 that we did on page 82. You're just going to do it by yourself this time. And y'all are so smart. I know you can do it. I don't doubt that. All right, look at numbers 8 and 9. Number 8 says Mark has 9 bagels. He cooks 4 of them. How many bagels are not cooked? So you have to find this missing number. It's very, very, very similar to numbers 5, 6, and 7, just written as an addition sentence. Number 9 is the same way. It says Hannah has 7 eggs. 5 eggs are hatched. How many eggs are not hatched? So we know 7 and we know 5, and we're trying to find out how many are left or how many are not hatched. Exact same idea as numbers 5, 6, and 7, just written as an addition sentence. You can cross out number 10, or if you want an extra challenge, you can do number 10. Now, are you ready to get practicing on your own? Remember, we need you to try using your smart math brains because mom and dad have already been through kindergarten and they want to know how much you know about math. They want to see how hard you can work. So I need you to try numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 by yourself. And then if you want a super extra challenge, go for number 10. If you need any of the directions repeated, you can hit pause and then rewind the video at any time. All right? Well, until next time, kiddos, I'll see you later.